Let's talk about the function AllSelected, which is a very powerful function in Power BI, in which it returns all the lines of a table or all the values of a column, ignoring any filter applied, but keeping the filters of the current selection.
Hello, I am Gabriel Venturini, a Brazilian with a degree in administration and specializing in strategic management and business innovation. With over 10 years of experience in the Office suite, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Power BI, and VBA, we are producing videos in English. Please subscribe to the channel and leave a like. And also activate YouTube notifications so it understands that the content is relevant and delivers it to more and more people. In the detailed description of this video and also in the very first pinned comment, you can easily find our complete training sessions. Now, let's get started with the content.
It is useful to work with specific filters of the context in general in reports. So here, before doing the function AllSelected, I'm going to do the function wall to see how it works. So I go here, New Measure, it will load, I will type the name, I will put the value of the lines. With the wall application, I will apply a calculate here, and I will apply the function. I'll put it down here to get better. And I will apply the value of the lines, apply the wall function applied to the product column with the seller spreadsheet. Here, and I will close here. I will give an enter, right? Now, with the function, I will click on the table. I clicked here, and I will add here, for it to stay down here. Note then, it brought the values, and now I'm going to do the AllSelected to verify the difference, how it works. So, sales, I will also follow the pattern AllSelected, put equal, until I will do the following. Let me get out here. I'll come here. Because it is the same thing, there is no need to make changes. I come here, New Measure, and put then Paste, instead of Wall, Alt-Select, and here I will also change to Alt-Select. And I'll give an Enter and Apply. Now coming here, click on the spreadsheet and I will add below. Note then that at first there was no change in relation to the wall function, but now we will add a filter because it considers based on the filter applied. So, I'll just reduce the size here, leave it like this, and now I will expand, I will reduce a little, now I will expand here. And here in the filter I will put, for example, the products, right? And now, notice the difference of the columns. I go here, Basic Monitor, Game Monitor, note that you can already see. Now I will select Basic Monitor, Game Monitor, Mouse Gamer, and Mousepad. Look at the difference. It considered the filter applied to make this change compared to the wall did not.